Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to evaporate your KitchenAid KF8 fully automatic espresso machine. This is necessary if you like to give away, trade in, or whatever, or store your KitchenAid fully automatic espresso machine, for example, in areas where it is under 0 degrees Celsius. Because inside the system, of course, there's water. And this water stays there if you does not need to use that machine. And it is not good for the machine if it is for minus 0 degrees Celsius and lower. Maybe there will be ice in the machine and this will make damage on the machine. So it's better to evaporate it. If you give away, sell away, or something else, you should make another step before we are starting. We should go here, close the bean hopper. So remove the bean hopper and of course get the beans in safety on a safer area. Because if you stay or let this machine stays somewhere over a long time, it's not good for the beans because the quality of the beans are then not so good anymore. So here, we have to remove that. Here, get them out of here a little bit. That's better. That's better for the flavor of the beans, of course. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, that is good. Job's done. And then we can continue with the evaporating system. Here we are. Get back the bean hopper into position. Yeah, here we are. Okay. But this is an optional thing. Now, of course, we go in the machine, in the setup area, the cleaning process area, the cleaning area, go to the second menu and evaporate the system. Okay, let's step one. We are going to empty the trays. That means here, the milk container, of course, should be separated and cleaned as well. Then, of course, we remove this tray. We clean the tray. We clean it and get it back in position. Now we are getting back this to the system. The system with the pipe. Okay, it's connected. Now we have to remove the water tank. Here it is. Of course, we should remove the filter too. Here we are going to remove the water out of the water tank, and of course we're going to remove the filter if a filter is installed. Here we are. Okay, now we are ready with that, and now we can check this. And now we put the hose into the position. Okay, now we put a container underneath. Okay, and we go next, and now we are going to start the evaporating. Okay, press start, and now the system will be evaporated. That means the water which is over here, for example, and the water which is in the machine as well, because there are lines and pipes in the machine which are filled, of course, with water right now. And this water can be freezed in the machine, and that will make damage to the machine. Or if you go and pack this KitchenAid into a box, for example. Maybe the water comes out while the transport is in progress or something. So here, this is the solution for that. Now we remove the entire water out of the machine by evaporating. So job's done here. And of course now we have to clean the machine before we send the machine to a new owner, for example. We have to clean the entire machine, clean the drip tray, clean the area here, clean the bean hopper and something else. And then the evaporating is done. And the machine will be switched off, as you can see. And now, after clean out, we can give away, trade in, or store the KitchenAid KF8 fully automatic espresso machine as well. That's a good thing to perform a good storage. If it is necessary, under 0 degrees Celsius. So that's the anti-freeze setup done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel.